Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to list an item on Redbubble in 2025 step by step. So if you have created your design and now you want to start selling it on Redbubble, here is how you can do it in just a few minutes. First of all, you need to come on redbubble.com and log in into your artist account. Then you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and select the option of sell your art. Now, once you select it, you will be landed in your dashboard where click on the add new work option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then click on upload new work, and here you need to select the pattern or that particular image which you want to upload over here. In order to create your designs, you can use Canva. The pixels size would be 4500 into 4500, or it can also be 5000 into 5000 for best results. It can work on all of the products. Make sure that your image is transparent in background. It is ideal for stickers and aprils. So once your product is added here, in the right hand side you will be able to add the title of your product, the tags and the description, and these actually help your item to get found by the right customers. You just have to scroll down and here you will see the product reviews section. This is where you can basically customize your design, and you will also get the preview of how your designs will look if you just place it on a t-shirt or on a hat or a bag, posters, phone cases, etc. So let's say this is my design, and as you can see, this is how it will look on this particular t-shirt. But if I want to resize it, or if I want to make changes into it, you can definitely do that by using this slider, just like so. You can add it in the front and the back of the t-shirt, and you can basically make changes into it. Once you are done, click on the apply changes option. You can just scroll down and just take a look at how your design will look on other items. So this is how, after designing everything, if you want to save your work, you need to just scroll down and you need to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the save work option, and this way your product will be listed in your shop. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.